Good morning, children. Let us start a new lesson in EVS. Children, does your height always remain the same? After you are born, you do not remain the same. You keep on growing with nourishment. Children, what are living things? Things that grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called living things. So, let us start lesson number 23, Growing Up and Growing Old. Children, a little baby is born. Everyone in the family is happy. The mother lovingly takes care of her baby. She bathes the baby every day. She feeds it milk when he or she is hungry. Mother also sings lullabies to sleep the baby. Slowly, the baby grows. It becomes taller. Its weight also increases. Children, do you know a baby is given vaccines to avoid any diseases, to prevent the baby from any diseases it may contract later. So, it is very important and necessary to give vaccine to the baby to protect it from disease. As the baby grows up, it learns to crawl. Its teeth come out one by one. Can see the first thing the teeth comes, then you have already studied in the previous lesson what the teeth that you get in childhood, they are known as milk teeth. Then slowly the baby learns to stand, walk and run. All this while it gains in height and weight. Then the baby learns to recognize its mother. It learns to recognize other people in the family. Then it begins to have other foods. At the age of 6, children start school. They keep growing in height until the age of 18. Do you know, children? A boy keeps growing taller till he is about 18 years old. But girls grow taller earlier till about 14 years old. After that, only their weight increases. Now, for boys, it is possible for them as they grow in stamina and strength with the food that they eat. They begin to ride a bicycle or play football or even study for a longer time. Until 40 years of age, a person remains fit. There is no gain in height, but weight keeps increasing. Good habits and good food help to maintain good health. We benefit from regular exercise. If we eat properly and exercise regularly, our body grows healthy and will be fit for many more activities in our lifetime. With less exercise and more food, you can grow fat in future. There will be more changes in your body. So, children, it is very important to remain fit and healthy. For that, you must exercise regularly. Then, children, after 40 years of age, there are changes in our body. After the change, after the age of 60 and above, slowly eyesight becomes weak, hair starts turning grey, the wrinkles can be seen on the skin because of weak eyesight. People have to use glasses, specs for reading. Then the functioning of the body is less active. In old age, the body strength decreases further. Hearing and memory also becomes weak. Teeth begin to fall. Then old people, they sleep less and develop various disorders. Now, children, let us talk about plant that has life. Seeds under favorable conditions. Now, what are those favorable conditions? Those are soil, water, sunlight and air. They help the seed to grow. When a seed sprouts or germinates, a new plant is produced. Now, how this all this cycle takes place? First, the seed begin with the growth of root and leaves, then seedling. After that, it grows into a small plant, then it grows into tree. Then the tree grows into a mature tree with fruit which contain seeds. The seedling absorbs water and some nutritious substances from the soil. The leaves begin to make food. Then the plant begins to grow. The stem becomes stronger and it grows more branches and leaves. The plant turns into a big tree. At the proper stage of its growth, the plant begins to flower. Fruits develop from flowers. These fruits have seeds. Now, when the seeds are scattered by the wind, the seed again it takes root in the soil, and from that seed again a new plant grows there in that place. So, here you have a new term, germination. What is germination? Germination is the sprouting of seeds. It is known as germination when the seed sprouts to germinate into a new plant. Children, a tree must withstand the sun, wind and rain all the time. Now there are sometimes the tree is attacked by pests. These pests make holes in the tree and they start destroying the tree. This makes the tree weaker. At last the tree trunk breaks, the tree falls down. So students, let us see what we have learnt in this lesson. There are certain stages of the growth and progress of a baby. A person continues to grow till the age of 18. After 40 years of age, a person approaches old age. Changes take place in plants with time, just as they do in people. Starting from germination in the soil, there are definite stages of the growth of plants. Plants also grow in height and strength. Animals or plants all come to an end eventually.